So how do you pause the browsing history on Google Chrome on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, when you open up your Google Chrome, you're going to tap on the tabs button to open it up like that. And you can switch to the private mode by going in there. And you can see that when you are using this mode, the search history is not being saved, right? So you are using the web, but the cookies and other information is not being saved in there. So right now, using this mode, you are like pausing the history, right? You can also do some different things here as well. Like you might just use your websites and everything normally, but you can tap on the three dots and go to the browsing data. So you can literally have the option to delete the browsing data, but you don't have to choose it for like all the time. You have multiple time windows, right? So after browsing, you can choose to delete the last hour, last 15 minutes, 24 hours, and even more, right? So we can see more things are going on. So yeah, you can also just pause it like retrospectively, like delete only a portion of the browsing history. So let me know if it worked for you. If it did, just hit the thumbs up, right? But in case of some other questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and your support. Subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future.